Today is July 16th. Houston's 3 months old today. Oh, and he's learned how to throw already. Here, bud. What do you think? Hey, check it out. You can hold on to stuff and talk a little bit. What do you think of that? Daddy's out golfing. I'll be back in a little bit. Just hanging out. Ran some errands. There you go.